How to make a playlist on YouTube Music. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can make a playlist on YouTube Music. So let's dive in. So first you have to open the YouTube Music app on your phone, and then it's going to bring you to this interface. On this interface you simply have to click this library option over here on the bottom. And once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page. On this page, you'll be able to see this new option over here, and you have to click this new option. Simply click this plus new, and then it's going to pop up with this menu. On this menu, choose this playlist option, and then it's going to pop up with this new playlist option over here. Now, just give it a title, like you can name it My Favorites, or you can just name it anything, and then add a description in the description box. Like you can add anything in the description box, and then if you want to make it public, you can make it public. If you want it unlisted or private, just choose the option and then click create. And that's how you create a playlist on your YouTube Music app. Thanks for watching.